That's my voice, singing a song I have never sung in my life. I didn't record that chorus, I didn't hit those notes, I physically can't hit those notes. I gave Suno about 30 seconds of me half singing into a laptop mic, and it did the rest, and the weirdest part wasn't the song. It was what Suno made me do before it would let me have it. I'll get to that. Half the internet has this wrong. This isn't custom mode. Custom mode is where you write your own lyrics and pick your own style. Useful, but old news. The feature that sings in your voice is called Voices. It landed in Suno V5.5 back in March. And if you had personas saved, they're all sitting in the Voices tab now. Same place, new name, way bigger job. Old Suno gave you a great song sung by somebody, a stranger, a very talented stranger who was not you. Voices flips it. You hand Suno a sample of your voice, it builds a private voice profile, your timbre, your range, your texture, and then every song it generates comes out sung in your voice. This isn't a filter on your recording. It writes the song, composes it, and performs it, using your voice as the instrument. So how do you hand it your voice? That's the part I thought would be a hassle. It wasn't. The whole setup took 4 minutes. Create arrow voices, arrow create voice. 3 options. Pull your voice from a Suno song you already made, record straight into the browser, or upload a file. I uploaded. Tip number 1. Acapella works best. Just your voice, no backing music, decent mic, quiet room. If your file does have music behind it, don't panic. Suno automatically stem splits it and pulls the vocal out. It just works cleaner if you hand it clean audio. Then Suno did something I didn't expect. It threw a random phrase on screen and told me to read it out loud. Right then, live. And it's not a formality. It compares that spoken clip against the singing sample I uploaded. Same person or not. That's an anti-deepfake gate. It exists specifically to stop people uploading a collaborator's vocals or a celebrity's and walking off with their voice. Then it makes you tick a box confirming you've got the rights. Honestly, respect. Most cloning tools just say, sure, go ahead. Suno makes you prove it's you. That's the right call. Verified, saved. Then I prompted something I could never sing. A big, soaring, dramatic chorus. Hit create, and out came me, my voice, my tone. Hitting notes I have zero business hitting. It's uncanny. Not because it's flawless, it isn't, but because the fingerprint is right. If you know my voice, you'd clock it instantly. Here's the one that'll save you. Make sure V5.5 is selected in the model drop-down before you hit create. That's the whole trick. If your voice comes out sounding like a random stranger again, 9 times out of 10 you're still on an older model. Suno says this in their own docs. Nobody reads them. Check the drop-down. Right, the part that isn't hype. 1. It's not free. Voices is Pro and Premier only. The free tier does not get this. So if you were about to sign up expecting to clone your voice for nothing, save yourself the click. 2. It makes new songs in your voice. It won't drop your voice onto a track you made somewhere else, and it won't surgically replace vocals on an existing song. Suno songs, in Suno, in your voice. That's the lane. 3. Read this one properly. Your voice is private by default. Good. But if you publish a song, or share a direct link with remix or cover switched on, other people can create using your voice. Your voice on their tracks. Think before you flip those toggles. 4. Garbage in, garbage out. Bad mic, noisy room, mumbled sample. You'll get a stranger with your accent. Feed it a clean acapella. Before you close the tab, 2 more things. While you're already in that V5.5 menu, there are 2 bonuses hiding right next to voices that are worth 30 seconds. Custom models. Upload 6 or more of your own tracks and Suno trains on your actual catalog. Not your voice, your sound, your production, your genre habits. Up to 3 models. Also, Pro and Premiere, and My Taste. This one's free for everyone. It quietly learns what you keep generating and pulls the defaults toward what you actually like. Do nothing, it just gets better. So, Suno sings in my voice now, and I still can't sing. Tell me in the comments, Would you clone your own voice, or does that cross a line for you? I read everyone. And remember those custom models I just mentioned, the ones that clone your whole sound, not just your voice. That's the video right here. Watch that one next. Hit like, subscribe, catch you in the next one.